couple of dragons.
Come on, baby. Keep smoking. Oh yeah, I got a number over here. Look at that. The last week, sitting in the car. I'm gonna pull this out of the way. Show you the back. I'm cooking in my Jeep. Hard to see. I've got the zebra pot tied up on the steering wheel so it can't fall over. And I've got my simmer ring on down there. And of course I've got the window open a little bit because of carbon monoxide. I had that one open, but the rain was blowing in. So I just roll this one down a little bit every once in a while and get some fresh air in here. Just been sitting here watching YouTube videos because it's raining. It's been raining. It's supposed to rain all night. So I'm cooking me some beef tenderloin, something like that. You gotta do what you gotta do. Got my solar panel out up here, charging the battery pack over there. Battery pack here, charging my phone. Some electronics I was wanting to work on, but I don't have no wire with me. I forgot to get some wire. So I've got to go back to town tomorrow anyway to do laundry for the week, so I'll grab some wire out of storage. So yeah, I'll get that wire out of storage tomorrow. It's just Ethernet cable, just for those small wires there. See, like the green ones. And then my phone's up here because that's the only place I can get a signal. But yeah, no bonfire today. I did have one last night for a little while until the rain came in. But it's supposed to be nice tomorrow, so we'll probably have a fire tomorrow. Oh wow, hey, looks like we hit a boil. I can probably close down that simmer ring a little bit. Just want to let that simmer for a while and get that meat nice and cooked. I've been craving some freaking steak or beef or something, so yay, I'm gonna close that damper down a little bit, that simmer ring, and just let it cook for a while. Well, my meal has been cooking for about an hour and 15 minutes because I have that simmer ring on that Trangia stove. That's on one fill of the Trangia stove. It's been cooking like an hour and 15 minutes. You can see it's steaming pretty good. It is sirloin tip thin sliced beef steak. I've got some onion there. So as soon as that stove burns out, I put the steak in water. I'm boiling it. As soon as that stove burns out, I'm gonna have my dinner with my plants here. You can see I've got them all buckled in their seat belt to keep them nice and safe. So yeah, I'm just it's still raining pretty good. I'm surprised it's not freezing rain. Let's see if we can get out there. I am surprised it's not freezing rain because it is right at the temperature of freezing. I had to go to Lexington earlier today, this morning, and it was snowing in Lexington, and that's 50 miles away from where I'm at. So I won't be at all surprised if I wake up to snow or ice on the trees in the morning, because it's supposed to snow or supposed to rain. This storm is not supposed to blow through till like 2 a.m. So yeah, it is what it is. Just a Saturday in the Jeep, and I'm having boiled beef steak for dinner with some fresh onion. I boiled that steak for an hour and a half and I still got that much alcohol left. That's pretty good with that simmer ring on there. Alrighty guys, my boiled steak is done. Looks delicious. I mean, I wish I would have been able to steaming up the camera. Wish I would have been able to throw some potatoes in there and carrots and onions, but what can you expect when you're cooking on the floor of your Jeep? And you can see I didn't burn the carpet. So I'm going to turn the camera off and enjoy my meal. Boiled steak and fresh onion. Catch you later. Well guys, after eating just a couple pieces of plain old steak, I decided to add some ramen noodle in there, beef it up a little bit. Beef it up. Yeah, get some carbohydrates, not just protein. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my dinner. I drug out the jalapenos, still got some more fresh onion over here. I'm gonna sit here and eat my dinner. Thanks guys.